about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. We were such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree. Made a reputation for ourselves at age 18. We had the devil on our shoulders telling us what we should do. I wonder if you think about me too. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. Oh, I miss you. Oh, I miss you. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. Miss you. Miss you. Oh, miss you. Nothing else that I can do. I just miss you.
Big welcome to Monterey, everybody. You can see the beautiful world-renowned Monterey Aquarium behind me here. One of the foremost in the nation. and certainly one of the big draws that brings people to the beautiful town of Monterey, a town with a very colorful history brought to life by the great American novelist John Steinbeck. The beautiful things about this area, it really is Steinbeck country, and he wrote books like The Grapes of Wrath and East of Eden and Cannery Row. He was born and raised in Salinas, a few miles from here, but he was intrigued by the life down here when it used to be just a canning town, putting up fish that were caught, canning them, and then, well, it sort of absolutely became a tourist attraction as a lot of that business moved overseas. I'm glad to be here today. I didn't expect to make the stop. A lot of people in town. Just take a few minutes just to capture a few of the scenes here.
Going back to my old hometown, picking up the years I leave behind. Getting in my car, I drive as memories fly by. Driving by the fields I used to run through, where you were chasing me. We were riding out under the bleachers when no one could see. Oh, sweet memories of a town I loved, but oh, changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away? Moved a few times but ended up in Nashville. Tried to settle my restless soul. Got a job that felt like forever when I met you. You made me happy, we danced through the night. Life was music and I was your wife. Time flies and the years went by, but still I tried. Oh, sweet memories of a town I loved, but oh, changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away? Went for the dream, but I got lost. This house I leave is nothing like us. Chased happiness, ended up on a one-way street. We're leading nowhere, that's why I leave. Past the creek where we used to swim, jump the fence before the summer begins, and getting cool in the summer heat with you, my sweet. Sitting in the back of your car, wishing for this road to take us far. Now I've been away too long, I'm going home. Oh, sweet memories of a town I love, but oh, changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away? Sweet memories of the town I love, but oh, changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one? Were you the one? Always on my mind. Were you the one? Always there. Were you the one that got away?
It's time to head out. It's one of those towns that you're going to see on Highway 1, the Pacific Coast Highway going south, but it's nothing like it was in its heyday. It's kind of town you really wish you could have seen back in the 20s and 30s when John Steinbeck was roaming around. Now it's just, I hate to say it, like a big tourist trap with all the Bubba Gump shrimps and all that, but still, we had some fun. So, thumbs up or appreciated, guys. Your comments down below. If you've been to Monterey or you found it a bit like a giant outdoor shopping mall. Thanks, everybody.